And I was like, fuck man, the flip game is real. I can get you to 100. I can get you to 100 with Craigslist and Letgo and Etsy and eBay. And, you know, and though so many people want me to make the content that helps, I'm looking at Lexus right now and Nike and DKNY and Coach and New Balance and Steve Madden. This is perfect. All these brands. And about social media and marketing and things of that nature, I'd be lying if I didn't say that I was so drawn to, you know, I'm very into my roots.
Yeah.
I'm very into it. I just also know I can do it. I know. It's not glamorous. It doesn't seem like this remarkable, you know, not a genius, not a maven, but I know that I could walk into that Tommy Hilfiger right there and zoom it, D-Rock. Don't be a dick. There you go. I know I could walk into that Tommy Hilfiger outlet store, right? I know that I could search things on completed auctions, not listing price. A lot of people look at what it's listed for, doesn't mean it's sold it for. Completed auction price. Make money.
The 2017 Flip Challenge really helped people.
2017 Flip Challenge helped people. I didn't do a 2018 one, but I think 2019 will be the year of the flip. I literally think I'm very passionate about it. And we're definitely filming this garage sale the first Saturday, and it's gonna be, you're gonna kill it. And then the sports card unpacking thing, and like.
I think it's fun because the people I've talked to, or that I've talked to about the 2017 Flip Challenge, it's not that they are now just flipping stuff at stores and eBay. They learn the skill of like, you know, Amazon arbitrage, where they buy stuff from China, sell it, and then now they're building a business off of that.
Of course, brother. Who do you think I am? I'm gonna buy the New York Jets for billions of dollars on the back of like flipping sports cards. You have to learn. This is a step-by-step game. Everybody tries to get, if I said to somebody, you're gonna win Wimbledon, and they have never played tennis, they think that's ludicrous. Somehow though, people think from zero, never having a business in their life, have always been a student or an employee, that on the motivation of one of my fucking videos, that they're gonna build $1 million business the next day.
And then 1 year later,
$1 million, making $1 million, forget about even revenue, making $1 million is like winning fucking a tennis tour, like getting to the quarterfinals of Wimbledon cold. Are you gonna really do that, Carl in Jacksonville? Carl, you gonna really just pick up a racket and win fucking Wimbledon? It's the same thing of like, okay, now I'm motivated, now I'm gonna do a business. Yes, you should, but why don't we take one step at a time? And and the reason people don't is because they're 39 and they think it's over. And I'm like, being happy at 52 is really interesting for 36 years.